Hello students, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. In today's class, we are going to discuss TSBIE Inter First Year Junior English First Lesson Two Sides of Life. So Junior English TSBIE New Syllabus Prose First Lesson Two Sides of Life by Booker T. Washington. So Booker T. Washington was Afro-American. Actually, he was an African who settled in America. He was born into a slave family, Negro family. He was a black. So he struggled a lot for his formal education. So he faced too many difficulties to get his basic education. But he became a great eminence. Finally, he became great educationist, great writer, orator, and he was the advisor for so many American presidents. So he rose to high eminence from zero to hero, from rags to riches. He rose to. Okay, so there is a great personality, Booker T. Washington. So he had one institute, Tuskegee Institute. Okay, there he used to give wonderful speeches every Saturday, Sunday, weekend speeches, especially to his people of his race, people of his community, to the blacks only. And most of the audience, they were trainees, teacher trainees. They were teacher trainees and business management, MBA, business management students. So he used to address them every weekend, every Saturday and Sunday evenings. He used to address them, and his speeches are compiled. They are in the form of a book. The name of the book is Character Building. Character Building. So the present lesson, Two Sides of Life, is taken from his book Character Building. Okay. So here, as the title suggests, Booker T. Washington says that there are two shades of life. There are two sides of life. We know. Okay. Positive side and the negative side. The dark side and the brighter side, the bright side and the dark side, the positive side and the negative side. Similarly, we have two types of people. So some people always look at the brighter side of the people, optimist, and some people always think about the negative side, dark side of the life. They are called pessimist. So don't go too far in either. So we have to think about the pros and cons, always going in one direction, always positive, positive. So without taking care of negative shade, that is also dangerous. And always thinking about negative without thinking about the positive side, that is also not desirable. So he says that Booker T. Washington gives a practical example. He says that don't go too far in either direction. Okay, so we have to think about both the sides. So always we should think about the positive side only, but we have to be take care of the negative shade also. For example, if you are going to start some business, be positive, always look at the positive side. But what happens if I get lost, if I get any loss, that also we should be alert, we should take care of that thing also. Okay, so taking care, that is called precautionary measures, that is very important. Okay, now how two people react to an overcast morning, a very dark morning, okay, likely to rain, cloudy morning. So he gives one example, practical example in this essay. The essay is divided into three parts, three segments: 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3. Segment 1, segment 2, and segment 3. Okay, so two people, how they react to an overcast morning when the sky is very cloudy. So one fellow says that, so it is very cloudy, very dark, very dim. Okay, so it's going to rain everywhere, marshy, okay, damp, okay, so bloody morning, I don't like it, like that. So he becomes miserable. And the other fellow, he looks about the beauty of raindrops and beauty of the flowers, blooming flowers, the beauty of nature, shrubs, plants. Okay, so how beautiful it is, like that. So same situation. So one situation, so it is taken in different forms. It is taken in a positive form by one fellow, and it is taken in a negative form by another fellow. So how we are reacting to the problem is same, but some people they react to it positively, and some people they react to it negatively. So we should respond, not react. Respond instead of reacting, that's better. Okay, now he is giving another example. For example, we should encourage the people who are around us. We should appreciate them. You are good, thank you very much, okay, you are wonderful, so thanks for your help. Every time appreciate them, encourage them. For example, when a cook serves you rolls and coffee breakfast, and rolls are bad, coffee is excellent, you talk about coffee, don't talk about rolls. Your rolls are bad, no, first you start with the compliment, okay, coffee is wonderful, your coffee is wonderful, like that. So positives plus, okay, so think about, so you talk about others plus points, not the negative points. In this way we can win so many friends, we can win so many people around us, okay. So you can become a good businessman, you can become a good human being also, of course. Now next one, teachers. For most of the trainees were teacher trainees, no, so for them he is giving wonderful advice. So teacher should be very frank, very honest. So suppose if you don't know something, we should say I don't know, I will get back to you. So honesty is very important, we should become honest teachers. So then only students respect you a lot. So teachers should be very honest, that is a very important thing. Now educated person, who is called actually educated person? A person who has full knowledge in his mind, his brain is filled with so many things. He is not a really educated person. A person who is useful to society, okay, very much useful to society, everyone wants to meet him, everyone wants to take golden advice from him, a good advice from him. That person is called a really educated person, okay. And now he advises all the students to get benefited from their teachers. Please do not criticize your teachers, appreciate the beauty of your teachers, appreciate the wonderful work of your teachers, okay. So you should be benefited by them, okay.